Hello mga Bruhkadas, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have something in my hand and I'm very excited today guys kay mag-upgrade ta sa atong motor na si Winter. You guys probably can tell already from the looks of it. We're gonna be upgrading our bike to a full exhaust system. Obviously, we're gonna try to make it happen acceptable gyapon siya sa LTO guys. So the minimum requirements for the decibels is 115 if I'm not mistaken. So I've heard that this is way below 115. It's around 90 to 100 decibels with the silencer on. So we're not gonna take out the silencer guys. But later on today, we're gonna be just taking it off so that we can hear how it sounds without the silencer and with the silencer on. We're gonna go to Yamaha pod guys kaya magbayad ta sa motor today. And it's mga Bruhkadas, I'll catch you at Yamaha. Winter, you're gonna sound so different. Let's go! So guys, we just made it here at ALOT. I'm at 7-Eleven the fit guys. Kaya mag-withdraw po kwarta. And let me just text Kimisa so that she'll come over. So I just sent a message to Kimi. Let's go ahead and withdraw some money guys. And yeah, I don't have a mask. I'm nag-helmet ko. Bruh.
A few moments later.
So guys, Kimi is not here. Manako ka ng withdraw sa kwarta guys. So I'm gonna go to Yamaha. But I'm gonna wait for Kimi for like 10 minutes probably. Kaya ron maabot siya. Doon nga namin ito. And yeah, I know we haven't been uploading that much lately. Busy lang gid ni Kimi guys. We're trying to do a better job. Just bear with us guys. We're trying to catch up in the timeline. But I was thinking I might probably do a weekly vlog like my sister is doing right now. Because a weekly vlog, at least you guys get updated throughout the week, and I'm gonna try to do that probably. Let me know if you guys are interested to watch that. So mga Bruhkadas, let's wait for Kimi, and when she's here, we're gonna go to Yamaha. If she's not here in 10 minutes, I'm gonna go to Yamaha. So let's go. So I'm just trying to find some food right now, guys. Gutom kayo. I know I said 10 minutes, it's been more than 10 minutes, but I don't want to go if Kimi's not around because I just want her to be around and I'll share the vibes with Kimi. She's not just still eating and just changing, but the thing is, wala pa ako kaon, so I'm probably gonna go look for food somewhere, somehow. I don't know where I'm going, to be honest with you, but let's go just go down the road and see what they have over there. So mga Bruhkadas, I was able to find food, but then I found this girl. She's upset. Why are you upset?
Woke me up at 8 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, then 10 o'clock. I was so tired.
Sorry. So yeah mga Bruhkadas, that goes to show I'm really excited. So we're here at Yamaha. I'm gonna go pay for my bike. Ooh, this is very silent here. Go. What's your monthly fee?
As a girlfriend,
What is it?
1K.
What? What? Daghan pa kayo nakalinya ba? All the bench are full. The workbench are full. But we're gonna wait. So mga Bruhkadas, we went to another place instead of Yamaha kay dugay kayo to. Daghan pa kayo ang linya. So there's like 3 bikes on the workbench and Mabtan maghapon, and I'm really excited and I can't wait. So we went to another good motorcycle shop here in Panglao next to Crystal E. We're gonna do a little bit of sound check and also gonna show you how it looks like on the bike. So thank you, babe. So this is how the bike looks like before the installation. And then it's gonna look a little bit sleeker and smaller. Diba? We're gonna install the new pipe. So kani guys, you can see the elbow is from Daeng. So Daeng is like a Thailand brand, I guess, or Taiwanese brand, and this is made by them. That looks really nice. And then ako siya freeing ani, in case you wanna install something like that. Mga Bruhkadas, so we just made it home and look at it looks so nice.
Put the silencer on. I disagree. I will not let you do
It sounds so cool, but at the same time guys, the thing that we bought here, this is from Daeng. Apparently it doesn't fit extra perfect, 100% perfect, but the bike sounds cool, and considering it's a new bike, there's not a lot of parts for it yet. But here is the Akrapovic exhaust without the silencer on, and this is how it sounds like, guys. Go eat, so we're probably gonna end the vlog right here. For most of the time we're probably gonna put the silencer on so that we're gonna be safe from all the LTOs and stuff, but without the silencer on guys, it sounds so badass. Maybe the camera couldn't pick it up, but it sounds so cool in person. We're gonna leave the bike on for a bit and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Can you say goodbye for them first?
Okay, bye guys.
Bye,
See you in the next one.
See you in the next vlog.